This is going to be the most important video you've ever watched. And what I mean by that is in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can find the best opportunity for low cap coins with high upside potential. The only difference here is I'm going to teach you exactly how to do the research the experts do so that you can actually go out there and win in the markets. Like, look, the reality is Bitcoin is just hit $52,000, which I'm going to show you right now. And the likelihood of you becoming a millionaire from Bitcoin right now is slim to none unless you have big bags that you could put in the financial markets. So the reality is, individuals like myself and you, we're going to have to hunt specific coins and we're going to have to find opportunities for us to actually win in these markets. So I'm really excited to show this to you because this is something that I used from 2016 up until the end of the DeFi run to find some of the best opportunities and gems for me to make money in the financial markets. Again, I am not a financial advisor. Everything that we talk about today is purely based off of education. Do your own research. Trading and investing in the financial markets can and does involve risk. So let's go ahead and share my screen. We're going to dive right into this, guys. No B-roll, no nothing. We're going to dive right into this and we're going to make some magic happen with this video. So first and foremost, we're going to look right at Bitcoin right now on the daily time frame, guys. As you can see here, we just kissed $52,000 and currently price is sitting at 51,850. This is wildly exciting. And I told you guys in one of my previous videos that we just needed to break 48K in order for us to see that we have a clean break of structure to the left. We have some institutional candles being printed as well for future levels of reference. But all in all, I do see us going into a position where we're breaking our previous all-time highs over here. We're so close, guys. This is crazy. We're going to see Bitcoin hit 100K literally in the next couple weeks. Super exciting. But let's dive into why and how you're going to find gems for you to win in the crypto markets. Again, this is the most important video you're going to watch all year as a crypto investor. So first and foremost, we're going to start off in the easiest place possible, CoinMarketCap. Okay, so when you come to CoinMarketCap, there's a few things you're going to do. First of all, you're going to click on categories right here, and that's going to bring you to the Solana ecosystem, ERC-404, gaming, and DePIN, because these things are trending and booming right now. And over here, you can take a look at many different coins and options here, and you can also do something else. You can come here, click on cryptocurrencies, and you're going to go to recently added. When you go to recently added, you're going to see a bunch of different stuff like Sakabam, Dark Brandon, King Cat. You're going to see all these different opportunities for you to be able to invest in. So what you're going to do is you're just going to pick one of these random ones. Let's say Pepe the Pepe, right? For whatever reason you want to look at this, we're looking at the market cap. It's under 106. It's at $116,000. The volume's at 198,000. It was added here a day ago. So we're going to click on Pepe the Pepe, and then what you're going to do is you're going to let the page load up and you're actually going to do some research about the token. You're going to go on their website. You're going to take a look at their telegrams. You're going to join their telegrams. You're going to talk to their developers. You're going to talk to the community. You're going to get a grab and a feel for the sentiment and how things are going in order for you to see if this is something that you can actually invest in. And when you do that, you're going to take a look at the contract address as well. You're going to make sure the top wallet is locked and that, you know, it's not going to potentially be a rug pull or a slow rug. Okay. So CoinMarketCap is going to be a huge opportunity for you to come in here and learn about the tokens and different things of that nature. But as you can see here, there's loads and loads and loads of opportunities for you to kind of dig your teeth in and figure out exactly what's going on. You can even look at gainers and losers. You could see what's gaining the most in 24 hours. And you can actually come in here and see which ones are performing the least amount in the last 24 hours. But again, if we go back to the CoinMarketCap home and we go to categories, we could click on Solana ecosystem because it's booming right now. And you could see that there's a lot of opportunity for you to come in here and grab up some low cap. And what you could do here is you could come to the market cap and you can actually click on it and you could reverse it. So you could see that Soul Chicks token, $65,000 market cap. And you can actually click on these and do your research and figure out what's going on. So when you come here directly, you'll be able to see the official website. You want to go on there and you want to copy the address to clipboard, and you want to actually investigate that as well. And you could do the same thing with ERC20 tokens, any of these tokens, and I'm going to show you exactly how you could do that. So we just copied the contract address to that project, right? And then what we're going to do is we're going to go directly to the Soul Scan, and we're gonna like literally come in here and we're gonna look up this contract address together as a family. Okay, you have to do this on every single project that you're going to invest into. Okay, then you're going to look at the market cap right here. You're going to look at the current supply. You're going to see there's 10,000 holders, and you're going to see everything that's going on. You're going to come here and you're going to click on holders, and you're going to see the top wallet right here. The top wallet has 40% of the tokens valued at $480,000. This could be an unlocked wallet, right? So we have to come in here and we have to see what's happening inside this wallet. So we want to go ahead and take a look at this. It's a true wallet. And then you actually want to go back and you want to take a look at the actual account, and you want to see what's going on with this account as well. Okay. So you want to see everything that's happening here also, and just do your research again. Take a look at these wallets, make sure they're locked, make sure you're not putting yourself in a position to invest in a rug pull. Same thing if you find any Ethereum tokens on here, and we'll find an ERC20 token on here that we're just going to look at randomly. So I'm going to go back to cryptocurrencies. I'm going to go back to recently added, and we're going to find just a random ERC20 one right here. So we'll just click on this one. That one's not going to load anything. Let's check this one. This one's also not going to load anything. All right, so let's just go to one of the popular ones, and we'll just go straight to Ethereum. Why not? We're going to find the contract address, okay, and we're going to go right here to B-Scan, so you can click straight on the contract address and it'll take you wherever you need to go. And right here, you'll see, if you go to holders, you'll see Binance Hot Wallet, perfect. So 24% of the token supply is there. That's safe. That's safe. Hot wallets are locked, okay? Locked wallets are locked. All of these right here, BSC Token Hub, that's a wallet that they're using for Binance Chain, Ethereum tokens. Again, anything like this that you see right here, this is someone's actual wallet address. So this is someone's wallet address valued at $165,823,000, okay? So that's that. Now, the next thing I want to show you is how you can, after you investigate your tokens, I want to take it a step further, because there are ways you can find tokens that are actually earlier than when they even get on CoinMarketCap. Sometimes certain coins, once they're on CoinMarketCap, it might be a little too late, believe it or not. You don't want to be someone else's liquidity. You don't want to be, if I get in early, if I'm like the 10th holder, and then we finally get listed on CMC and I'm up like 400% or 800% or 20,000%, when we list on CMC, my strategy might be to sell half my bag. And if I sell half my bag and you're down there buying, you're the liquidity to my profit. So I'm appreciating you, but you're going to get stuck holding the bag. So you have to be very, very careful how you move forward in this process. So the next thing we're going to look at right now is how you can investigate certain tokens that are starting early. So right here on DeFi Llama, you can come in here and you could see everything. You could look at the overview. You could see everything that's happening here. And these are early riser cryptos and what's happening with them. And you could see all of these different projects that are available for you to get into. Obviously, you want to get into projects that have, liquidity, that have activity happening inside them. And you could come in here and look at their airdrops, what's happening right now in terms of airdrops. And you could get these free tokens through these airdrops, which again, if you have little capital, airdrops, free tokens are going to be the best way for you to make capital. You could look at the top protocols here. But overall, when you come in here, you want to do your research and you want to take your time. Okay, so if you come back to overview, you could come in here and you can go between chains. Let's go ahead and go to Solana again, because Solana chain is bumping. You could see how much value is locked in liquidity. And then right here, we could see that we have some tokens here. This one's up, 4.2%. Right here, the TVL is also available, so you can go through everything and see what's happening. You can sort it and filter it however you want. And then right here, let's say you wanted to take a look at this token. You just click right directly on there. You see the total market cap. You see exactly what's happening when it launched, what's happening to the price right now, what's expected to happen, and so on and so forth. So you're going to be able to kind of take a look at all of this stuff directly on here. Another one that we have here is Dex Tools. Dex Tools is the number one thing to do. Dex Tools is a great place to find some hot products and things of that nature for you to invest in. But the thing is, guys, you're going to be investing in this through DeFi, through decentralized finance, dApps, okay? So you're not going to be finding these on crypto exchanges. You're not going to find this on Binance. More than likely, these aren't even listed on CMC yet, which is great. And also, if there's tokens that are going to be dropping, you'll have something like this as well, letting you know what's coming up. But let's just say right here, this is number one. This is hot. We can click directly on here and we can look at the chart. In my opinion, I'm not getting in this right now. Maybe if I want to get in this, if I like the project, I'm going to wait for a pullback down to these levels or below, and then I'm going to have my entries over here. Or you could completely miss the train and it can go parabolic. Again, you need to go ahead and you need to do your research, get in the community, see what people are saying. And again, take a look at all the transactions. How many buy transactions are coming in? How many sell transactions are coming in? Look right here, we have someone who just purchased almost 4,000, someone else who bought 4,000, someone sold 9,000, someone bought 16,000, someone bought 24,000. So again, you could come in here and see what's going on. Someone sold for 18K. So you want to get an idea and a sentiment for what's going on. And then you can take a look at how many holders there are. You could see exactly how many tokens they have, the value of their tokens. And then you want to see right there where it says dead, beautiful, because that means these 30.12 trillion tokens, they can't sell them. And then you want to read their white paper too, because they have little action items on when tokens will be released to the developers and the team and things of that nature. So again, you just want to keep a very close eye on all of this stuff that's going on. To me, this seems like a really clean project, to be honest with you. So again, I just randomly clicked on it, but you could come in here, do your research, and you could see so many things that are happening. And then also we have DApp Radar. Come in here. You can also take a look at some other projects as well. So again, guys, this is Jupiter. Jupiter is doing really well right now. Let's take a look at this in terms of what's happening. I know someone in my group called Jupiter out just, I believe, at some point in the last like 4 or 5 weeks. And, you know, they're up on their bag right now as well. So you could come in here, you could take a look at everything, read about it, go on their website. And then also you have PooCoin from BSC. You could come in here and you could trade effectively on here and purchase your specific tools directly from there. So that's how you hunt for a particular asset. So you're going to go through and you're going to find opportunities. You're going to do some research. You're going to make sure the wallets are locked or they're dead. You don't want to get involved in a rug pull. You're going to join the communities. You're going to get a sentiment. You're going to talk to the developers. You're going to talk to people in the group chat. And you're going to make an educated decision whether you're going to invest in it or not, okay? So the other thing that we're going to look at now are launch pads. Now, launch pads are a great place for you to do it. The first one we're going to start with is Binance Launchpad. So Binance Launchpad, guys, I'm just, again, going to be honest with you. With the Binance Launchpad, most of these things are going to be really difficult for you to invest in just because they've kind of moved the needle forward in the right direction. But again, you want to take a look at it because a lot of times what happens when something hits Binance Launchpad, there's usually a big push up in price. A lot of people liquidate their bags, and then a couple days later, price settles, and then it continues to move to the upside. So with these are like legitimate projects that are not going to be a slow rug, right? Like Binance is going to do their due diligence. They're going to talk to the developers. They're going to look at their books. They're going to make sure they pass the test. So these are certain things that you can find. But will these be 100x, 500x, 1000x gainers? I'm not sure. I don't think so. But the opportunity for you to get involved in this. Think of when Shiba was listed on Binance. What happened? It was a crazy boom. Price settled, and then it continued to do what it did. Obviously, the bear market, pushed price down. CoinList is huge. So many incredible projects came out of CoinList. So you want to make sure that you come in here and you take a look at everything in terms of what's going on here. You're going to want to take a look at all the charts. You're going to want to take a look at everything that's happening. You have Filecoin that's still on here, but so many different things available on CoinList and CoinList Pro. So you just want to make sure that you kind of do your research and you take a look at all of these launch pads and see what's happening and actually put yourself in a position where you come in here, create an account, take a look at everything and do your research and do what you got to do. DAO Maker, also another place for a great launch pad. Again, over here, they have the opportunity for you to come in here and look at all of these different opportunities for you to be able to invest in to these specific projects. And again, you could come in here, do your research and see what's going on. And last but not least, again, Ape Launch is another launch pad where you could come in here and take a look at their featured launches. Forgotten Play. Oh, wow, crazy. I actually saw a couple videos on Forgotten Playland today. So looks like right here, you could participate directly in here and you can literally just get started, okay? So again, do your research, join the community, figure out what's going on, and take your time with this stuff, right? This could get really fun. You might think that this is a lot of work, but at the end of the day, this is investing, right? Rather than waiting for someone like me or another influencer to talk about a coin that they probably invested in a week ago and they're letting it mature, you can go be the first mover and get access to all this information completely on your own. And then last but not least, another way you could really find 100xers and get into some big gainers is a different way, right? The different way is like you reach out to a project and you get in the community and you can become an ambassador. So an ambassador is kind of like someone who is a moderator inside a community and you can earn free tokens. You could get early access to airdrops. There's so many different things that can happen, but you can be part of multiple communities as an ambassador and you can help them with their project. And in return, they'll give you free tokens and things of that nature. But you just being an active member in the community, it's not going to happen. You have to ask for it and they'll help you if you meet their criteria, and they'll allow you to be an ambassador for a new project, and they'll really help you get some free tokens. And again, if you have a low budget or no budget at all, this is a great way for you to start making an impact on your crypto portfolio and how you're actually going to make some money in the crypto and financial markets. You also have an opportunity to take advantage of crypto staking and crypto farming. I've made some great money with staking and farming in the past with alpaca and so many different things. And it's a huge opportunity for you to just make money by promising to hold or promising to, stake your coins for X amount of time. Don't get crazy and over leverage so you get liquidated and things of that nature, but you will earn free tokens just to farm, just to stake, and there's a lot of opportunity for you to do that. So I'll be making some further videos doing deep dives into some of the subjects I went over today, but this is the best way for you to find 100x, 1000x, 20,000x opportunities. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and hit the bell notification because some of the information I put out is time sensitive and you do not want to miss out on this. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care, stay blessed, and we'll catch you on the flip side.